So let's just start. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming here, giving your precious time, and let's just go through what we have been building in last couple of months, and what our developers have shipped, and what we are planning to do ahead. So first of all, today's agenda, let's discuss this. So we'll be going through the mobile updates that we have for the SDKs. We'll also go through the hook updates. And yes, Passkeys, maybe not. Let's just see. And there is something around NFTs also that's a surprise for you folks. And we also have like Bitcoin updates, like we have added the Bitcoin examples and docs. So we'll also go through that, and there are some other updates as well in the wallet services and some deprecations that we want to discuss. And thereafter, we'll have the open Q&A. Like if you have any doubts regarding whatever we have gone through, you can ask that. If you are facing any issues, we do have engineers over here. So maybe we can go through and help you solve those. So let's just start now. So first of all, let's just talk about what are the mobile updates that we have like kind of published yesterday itself. So now you can configure the white label settings through dashboard. That was previously available only on the web SDKs, but it is now also available on the mobile SDKs. As of now, it is only available on the Android and iOS SDK. Those were that were released yesterday. So if you are planning to use those wonderful white label settings from the dashboard, you can use those now in the mobile SDKs for the Android and iOS. What I mean by that is, let's just go through over here. If you go to your white label project, you can customize from here. So these changes now will also be visible in your mobile SDKs. So you don't have to manually configure every time. Especially this is like more troublesome because like if you have to change any kind of name, or like if you have to configure the theming data or anything like that, you have to publish a new app store update, or like provide a new play store update, and that can be time consuming for the users as well and for the developers. So to this will really help you to push like changes on like runtime, so you can update any of the data anytime you want. We have a kind of you can change the logo loader, you can change the language also, you can change the theme mode, you can change your primary color, whatever you want, like you can do it like on the go. So that will be really helpful for all the mobile developers out there. And apart from that, we also now support like MPC core kit for React Native. Yay. We do believe that mobile SDKs play a long part, and if you want to onboard like more and more users on the Web3, that's the way to do it, because mobile are the primary like devices that everyone uses. So why not support more and more SDKs on mobile? So if you want to like integrate, you can basically go through the, just go through content share my screen. Okay, so you can go to the SDK's reference. You can go in the MPC core kit, where we have the MPC core kit, yes, and in the install now. Where did, yes. So here we have the React Native. So you can go to the requirements that you require and how you can install it. The steps are pretty straightforward. There are only some minor components or the changes that you require for the for MPC core kit React Native, which you can go through from here from the docs. And now we have updates on the hooks as well. Previously, we only supported the modal SDK for the hooks, but now we have hooks for the no modal SDK and the wallet services as well. So if you want to use that, you can basically go to our web SDKs, you can go to the no modal, and now we have section for the React tools as well over here. You can go through all the documentation, whatever methods we provide, interface we provide, and how you can use it. It's pretty straightforward, similar to the model SDK. And apart from that, we also have like hooks for the wallet services, which you can go through from here. And here we provide like couple of like interfaces. You can see show wallet connect, scanner, show checkout, show wallet UI. So if you want to use hooks with wallet services plugin, now you can use it as well. And this will help you to basically write more readable and compact code. So please try to use hooks. We are trying to promote it. So, and let's just talk about the onboarding issues. Even though like people are using Gmail login and Twitter login or whatever social login they are, but we all know, like, right, people tend to like sometimes lose the password for the Twitter login or Gmail login. So that's why Passkeys, because why not? So for the Passkeys, I have my colleague who Maharshi, who will be explaining more about what Passkeys are, how we are supporting it, and what SDKs we are supporting it. Maharshi, over to you.
Hello, everyone. I'll be talking about Passkeys. I'll be um, going through a demo, a small demo, and also telling you all about the docs that we have. And even we have a guide ready that would guide you to uh, implement Passkeys into your existing single factor auth web apps. So I'll just share my screen. Okay. Here's the playground that we have created for SFA Passkeys. It's just single factor auth web under the hood with the SFA Passkeys SFA plugin implemented along with it. Uh, as you see, we have a Google One Tap login over here, and also I have a Passkey. So how does it work? I'll just brief you through it. First, you need to log in through the Google One Tap or the Google login or any other login that you have, and then register for a passkey. Let's go through that. Okay, so I already have a lot of passkeys in place, but this would be empty for you if you're logging in for the first time, and you would add instead of add another passkey, you'll see register for a passkey, since it would be the first time you would be registering for a passkey. So you could select iCloud or even your mobile phone. It's on you. I'll go with iCloud for now. I'll authenticate with my fingerprint, and voila. That's how we register a passkey. And instead of showing an empty array over here, you'll see one new passkey added over here. Okay, for you. Here you'll see the iCloud keychain that I added just now. Okay, this is the one. So if you disconnect right now, you can just say, I have a passkey because you have registered for one. I'll choose the latest one that I created. Yeah. So, that's the super fast demo that we have for SFA passkeys. It will be hosted online, and we have some tweaks that we have done to our hosted demo. So we'll be sharing the link once it's up and uh, up with the tweaks that you have done. So the next thing that we have over here is the docs. Okay, so docs are already in place. So we have the docs in place, and you can go through the docs. It's in under SDKs, under helper SDKs. We have we have made a section for plugins, since we already have a wallet. We have kept the Passkeys SFA plugin over here, and that's all. And we also have the guides in place. It's an open PR. We'll be merging it soon, maybe by the end of the day. Guides, we have passkeys over here. Yeah. So here's the guide in place. We have it's an extensive guide. Please give your feedback. We have a comment. We have an option to comment at the end. So give your feedback if you want, if you think that something could be added or improved. Please use the chat below, so that it makes you log into the discourse and creates a thread, and we can have a look, and it's an ever improving process for our docs. So that's the docs. And also, even if you have a look at our feature sections, so we have a new feature, that's Passkeys arranged according to the alphabetical order. So passkeys are here. We have a section for Passkeys as well, linking to the script plugin documentation. The PNP, the support for Passkeys is on in the works and will be out soon. I know a lot of users are waiting for PNP Passkeys. So, yep, just an update for you folks. So that's all for me. Over to you, Ayush. I'll stop sharing.
Hello, thank you so much, Maharshi, for wonderful updates on the past case. Let me share the screen and so we can. So now that we have gone through past case, like let's see like what's ahead. So we have discussed about support for the hooks. We have discussed the mobile updates. We have even discussed the past case support. So what's next? Next is the NFT checkout. So are you guys excited for the NFT checkout? So let's just talk about what NFT checkout is. So we have added a new service called NFT services, which allows you a couple of options. Either you can use the NFT checkout, which is the pre-built customized UI for minting and purchasing NFT via crypto or fiat payments. And the other option is the NFT minting to airdrop and facilitate free minting for your users. It's kind of having a paymaster. You don't have to worry about any setting up the paymaster. They will handle everything for you. Same for the crypto and the fiat payments also. So let's just go through the demo and see like how it looks like. So this is our demo. It's hosted on demo.web3auth.io. Meanwhile, like you can also check out like how it looks like. So if you scroll down, you will find the NFT minting and checkout section over here. You can click and you'll see like couple of options, NFT minting, which will allow you to free mint the NFTs. So let's take an example. I want to mint an NFT. I'll just click the mint NFT. So this is because I have already reached the limit of free minting. Let me just change my account. I'll show it you. And for the NFT checkout, you can see if I click over here, it will give me an option to purchase with the credit card. It will ask me the all details. All of this is facilitated by the Web3, so you don't have to worry about anything. Let's just change the account once and see if it. Now let's just try for the free minting. So as you can see, like it's now processing the mint and minting the NFT for me. And voila, the NFT has been minted. Will show success in a while. Now you can also view the NFT on the Polygon, I mean the OpenSea, and you can like as you can see like it didn't allow me to mint the second NFT in the account. So you can also restrict users or like number of mints per user. You can do all of this customization. This all are possible with the 3 auth NFT services. And we also have a docs in place, which is just an overview of like how NFT services looks like, what it is. And if you want to use this NFT services in your project, please do reach out to us. Our business team will be happy to onboard you. And soon we will also have the docs out for how you can integrate and everything. Now that we have gone through NFT services, let's look ahead. We have the Bitcoin example. So we were chain agnostic from the inception. We did support like SCCP curve key, and people used to still ask like, can we support the Bitcoin example with the 3 auth? We didn't have the sample previously, but now we do have a sample which you can check it out, and we also have the docs for it. Let's just go through it quickly. So this is the SFA Bitcoin sample. Let's just log out and log in again. So this is the basic information you anyways get in SFSDK. We can, this example is for the Taproot, but we also support SegWit and everything. So you can basically customize as per your needs. And let's just check for the balance. We do have some balance. So let's try to send a Bitcoin transaction, and transaction is success. We can check it on the Explorer. So this is not yet confirmed. So once it is confirmed, it will like reflect in your account and everything also. So that's how you can like if you want to check out the, you want to check out the source code, you can basically click over here and you will find the source code like wonderful addition by Shabazz, developer team member. And we also have the docs for it in place now. If you go in the connect blockchain, you will be able to see in the non-EVM guides. I think the PR has been not merged yet. So once the PR is merged, it will come over here in the Bitcoin section, and then maybe you can like go through how you can integrate, have the guides like what are the things all happening in the code level. So there is one more important announcement that we want to talk about is the deprecations of the SDKs, especially on the mobile side. So SDKs that are using the auth service below V7 would be deprecated by the end of July. So please try to use the latest SDK versions that we have for the mobile SDK especially. And SDKs that are using the auth service below V8 would be deprecated by the end of August. So if you are below V8, please upgrade to V8 because V8 is like 3x time faster than previously. So your users will be able to log in like 3x time faster. And for a detailed announcement, like what are SDKs will be deprecated what time, we will be sharing a community post. So please keep an eye on the community forum. We'll be posting the community post. And if you are not using the latest SDK, please do update to the latest SDK. So thank you so much. That were all the updates we wanted to talk about. Now this is like time for you to ask us anything like that you want to ask. Whether you want to ask about any Passkeys, whether you want to ask about NFT Checkout, or like you have any doubts regarding your projects, please shoot the questions. Hello, yes, I can see a couple of questions in the chat. How effective are UB keys and their price are reaching sky, starting from 50 USD to 400 USD? And is it possible to get any support from developers on ERC 6551 or any complex thing? Uh, so for the second question, um, yeah, we can provide you support. Like if you have, you can drop the questions on the community forum, and if you want the dedicated support, maybe we can also have a enterprise solution for you. But we are active on the community forum, so if you are facing any issues with any complex thing like integrating with the AI or integrating with the latest new EIPs that are talked around, please share your question in the community forum. We will definitely help you out.
Hey, um, so thanks for unmuting me, Ayush. So I saw this question for YubiKeys. YubiKeys are quite effective actually. YubiKeys just are as alternative to maybe some Touch ID or something, as like an external thing. So definitely, it's really useful for you to encrypt your data and logging in into the laptop as well. Web3 can also support YubiKeys. It's like a custom integration that you have to do. It's very similar to how you'll do a passkey integration. You can ask for the particulars on the community portal if you are looking to integrate, and we'll help you out with the code and everything if you want to use YubiKeys as well. So that's totally possible. Talking about ERC 6551, it's basically the token bound accounts that's right now under review. I'm not sure if it will be going to be an EIP or not right now. But I cannot see any particular implementation of it online. I looked around for a bit. Like happy to look into it deeper as well. And definitely Web3 can support ERC 6551, but we have to figure out exactly how you want to implement it. So accordingly, we can make a decision over here according to your use cases. So again, always happy to chat around it. Community portal is the first place. Next, if you want to have a dedicated discussion, you can just have a call with us around that as well. You have any particulars in your mind around the ERC-6551 right now, or is it like a general thing you're trying to explore?
Also, I'm sharing one repo. Like I did work on the ER6551 like last year. So you can go through the smart contract and everything. Here I'm like using it's in Dart side, Dart console application. But similarly, you can make for the web also. You can use the smart contract that I have written, and you can use the Web3 auth provider to sign the transactions.
Awesome. So we have an example over here. It's not it's a bit old, but it's fine. You can have a look at it. We'll make a proper example for you as well if you are looking for integration around this properly. You need help for transferring tokens from one of your NFT accounts to your wallet. Okay. So have a look at this example particularly. I'm not sure exactly how we can help you over there because we'll need more specifics on how this has been made, how the account has been made. And is it using Web3 Auth or not? Particularly, we have to look into those things. You can, I will say again, community portal is the best place to ask these questions since we are already having a chat over here as well. So yeah, okay, sorry. Okay, it seems that they don't have any questions to ask right now. Anybody else has any other questions? Riaz, you can just always just open up a new issue as mentioned over here in Web3 community. Directly, you can chat over there. Um, we all are available directly over there, so it's better because you can have my email address for sure, but I will be more active on the community portal rather on the email address, I will say. But I've sent over the email address for you just in case. Okay. I guess there are no other questions over here. If you have any other questions, we'll be around for the next 5-10 minutes. You can ask us anytime. For the rest of us, thanks a lot for joining the community call. I usually conclude the community call from your side if you have anything as well.
No, I think that was it. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. And I hope like you were happy with the new updates of the Passkeys and the NFT services. So we look forward for you using the Passkeys in production. And also let us know like if anything else you want in the products, and we'll be happy to provide the support. And thank you so much everyone. Let's meet in the next community call. Meanwhile, like if you have any doubts, please share it on the community forum. We'll be happy to help you. And if you're not joined our Discord, please do join us Discord uh, for all the updates that we have.
Awesome. Thanks a lot for joining, everybody.
Thank you.